Hi there. I'm excited to announce that the weekend of August 25th and 26th, so that's 2 weekends from now, the last weekend of August, Edible Acres will be among a whole bunch of other amazing regional permaculture groups of the Finger Lakes area, doing workshops, open house, tours, hands-on training, demonstrations, etc. I'm going to link in the description below where you can get all the details you need, but it's a great opportunity to come out to the Edible Acres site if you're in the area, or see 10 plus, 20 plus other amazing sites that will all have their doors open for the weekend. We'll be doing a workshop on Saturday of that weekend about food forest design and plant relationship guilds. And on Sunday we'll be doing a hands-on workshop in building hugelkultur mounds and raised beds. Lots of other regional groups will be doing workshops as well. So check out that link and hopefully we'll see you. Also check out the link down below for carpooling options. It's a great way to save gas and meet new people. And hopefully we'll get to see you last weekend of August. It's the 25th and 26th.